Hi there, I'm Rami from Ledger, and today I'm going to talk about Bluetooth connections between Ledger Stax and Flex. We all know that crypto moves fast. The last thing you want is to be slowed down by Bluetooth failures. We've all been there, but fear not. In this video, I'll show you how to set up a Bluetooth connection between your phone and your Ledger Stax or Flex device. We will also cover step-by-step troubleshooting instructions if you are having connection issues. That way, you can get back to buying, selling, stacking, swapping, and managing your portfolio quickly and securely within the Ledger Live mobile app. If you're attempting Bluetooth pairing on your Ledger device for the very first time, we recommend you check out our official step-by-step setup tutorial guide, which you can find in the description below. Otherwise, grab your Ledger Stax or Flex and mobile phone, and let's get started. Before you begin, check to ensure that Bluetooth is enabled on your smartphone. For Android users, you will also need to ensure location services are enabled in your phone's settings for Ledger Live. Please note that Ledger Live never uses your location information. This is a requirement for Bluetooth connections on Android devices only. Now that our phone is prepped, we're now ready to pair our Ledger device. Open the Ledger Live app on your phone and tap the My Ledger icon located in the bottom right corner of your screen. Then, select the Add a Ledger option at the top of your screen. If you are an iOS user, you will see options to either set up a new ledger or connect an existing ledger. Because this is not our first time using this device, we'll choose Connect an existing ledger. Your phone will begin searching for a nearby device to pair with. In order to provide the best security possible, your Ledger device cannot be discovered by a Bluetooth network unless it is unlocked. To make it discoverable, simply enter your PIN code into your device and your Ledger will appear on your phone as a pairing option. Select your Ledger device in your Ledger Live app now. You will then see a pairing code appear on both your phone and your Ledger device. It may take a few moments for the code to be displayed on both devices. If the codes match, then select Pair on your phone and select Yes, they matched to confirm on your Ledger device. Then, the Ledger will prompt you to allow a secure connection with Ledger. Tap Allow. If you have issues connecting or are receiving failure messages, then you will need to reset your Bluetooth pairing. First, you should ensure you have the latest version of Ledger Live by checking the App Store or Google Play for the latest updates. Then, you will need to remove your Bluetooth pairing on your Ledger device. To do this, unlock your Ledger device and tap the settings icon. Navigate to Bluetooth, then tap Remove Pairings. After reading the warning message, tap Remove Pairings. Next, you will need to remove your Ledger device from the Ledger Live app. This might feel scary, but we assure you this will not affect your crypto holdings or your self-custodied keys on your Ledger device. Remember, your crypto is stored on the blockchain and your keys are stored within your Ledger device. Here, we're unpairing the device from the phone within the app, then adding it back, essentially resetting the Bluetooth connection between the two devices. Open the app on your mobile phone and tap My Ledger in the bottom right corner. Tap the ellipsis next to your Ledger and then tap Remove Device. Finally, you will need to unpair or forget the Ledger device on your smartphone. Simply go to Settings, tap Bluetooth, and select your Ledger device from the list of available options. Tap Unpair or Forget. Your Bluetooth pairing should now be reset. You should be able to connect your device by performing the steps at the start of this video. Open the app, then Add a Ledger. Select your Ledger device, confirm the codes match, and confirm pairing. In the rare event that your problem still persists, you can reach out to Ledger support at support.ledger.com and use our Ledger bot located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Please note that Ledger employees will never reach out asking for your recovery phrase, PIN, or any personal information. If someone claims they need this information in order to assist you, it is a scam. In this video, we covered enabling Bluetooth connections for either a Ledger Stax or Ledger Flex device. If you want to review a specific one, you can scroll through the chapters below. Thanks for watching this Ledger tutorial. Please subscribe to our channel, and if you have any questions or comments, let us know. Till next time, stay secure.